Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Sagittarius fire sign for the month of November, and this is general reading and may or may not resonate to everyone. Guys, take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages Sagittarius for the week. Okay, one card, yeah. See, Page of Swords, your first card, spying. Okay, Judgment. Wow. Three of Swords. I think one person in this connection heartbroken right now. Yeah, in recent past. Okay. Definitely there is some spying going between you and your person. Maybe you may be spying on your person social media, or your person may be spying on you on social media. Definitely there is some spying going between both of you. And Page of Swords, definitely communication and spying, judgment. I think one person will get justice in this connection. One person is very heartbroken. I think it could be you or your person Sagittarius. Definitely something is happened between both of you. For some there is separation, for some there is no contact between both of you. Still you are not talking to each other. Definitely some judgment. One person is going to make some major decision in this connection. Some justice. And Three of Swords, definitely heartbroken situation. Three of Swords, one person is heartbroken or you both could be. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonates. Okay, let's see some more messages. Yeah, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Definitely most of you are in separation right now. Five of Pentacles, one person showing cold showering to other person. Definitely there is separation and heartbreak. Also, Ace of Pentacles with Three of Cups. Definitely you both are seeing for reconciliation, or one person want reconciliation in this connection, because Eight of Pentacles with Three of Cups is a reconciliation and reunion. Definitely long-term commitment. One person, I think your person want to offer long-term commitment, Sagittarius. They want reconciliation. If it is your person, or if it is you, you also want reconciliation. Definitely. You are ready to reconcile with your person, or your person want to come towards you and offer reconciliation. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see some more messages. These are general readings, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Five of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Justice. Yeah, definitely communication, some messages you will receive, some message from your person. And Five of Cups, definitely Five of Cups and Three of Swords. Definitely one person is very painful in way, they are very painful and they are not talking to other person. They are very sad for the separation. It could be your person. I think it is your person, maybe could be. Page of Pentacles, definitely they want second chance. Definitely you also want second chance, but I think I'm getting more from your person, and I think your person wants second chance. I'm getting here. I think it's you stand by your power. You cut you even though you have feelings for your person, you cut your person off because there is no equal give and take. The one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Sagittarius. That's why you cut them off. But your person want reconciliation. They're very sad, they're heartbroken, they're literally thinking about you a lot. And yeah, they want some communication. You will expect some communication from your person because Page of Pentacles is here and Page of Swords. Definitely they're trying to communicate you. Yeah, that's why they're spying on you on social media. Let's see, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Ace of Swords, Two of Swords, Temperance. Your card. Okay, Sagittarius. I think in past there is no balance in this connection. Now your person want to balance this connection. Yeah, balance this relationship. Definitely truth coming out. They want to express their feelings, or you want to express your feelings. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Definitely some truth coming out and communication. Air energy is here. Two of Swords. Definitely your person now taking decision. Yeah, I think they are at some crossroads. Definitely they will make a move towards you. They will call you, they will message, or they will message you because they are at some crossroads. Definitely they want some communication. Yeah, this time they have to make decision before coming towards you. And yeah, you are stand by your power. You are patiently waiting for your person, Sagittarius. Definitely it's you. It's your energy. You stand by your power. It's you, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and then your future action towards you. Then we will get more clarity. So your person current feelings. Two cards. See, the Fool, Queen of Swords, Hierophant. Wow. See what I'm saying? The cards are also like that way only. The Fool, Queen of Swords and the Hierophant. Definitely they want to offer commitment to you this time. If they are not committed in past, definitely now they want to commit to you. They want to propose you. They want to marry you. Or for some who are in friendship and whatever relationship, definitely they want your friendship. Yeah, they want you back. Definitely they want to take leap of faith. The Fool card is here. Definitely they want new beginnings with you. And Queen of Swords, communication. Definitely they seeing you like this. You stand by your power. Yeah, because you deserve best. If your person not offered what you deserve, definitely you cut them off. Okay, that's why yeah, they want a new beginnings with you. Hierophant, definitely they want to offer commitment this time. So their actions towards you. Lot of cards. Okay, person. Wow, Three of Cups. 2 times Three of Cups here. 6 of Pentacles. And 10 of Wands. Yeah. They're feeling sometimes they're scared about this relationship because they're feeling overburdened sometimes. So they are thinking about you a lot. That's why Two of Swords, they are at some crossroads. Definitely they want to make towards you, but sometimes they're feeling scared. But they decided they want to offer commitment to you because Six of Pentacles with Three of Cups. Definitely they want reconciliation in this connection. Now they want to offer equal give and take. Sagittarius, yeah. Your person now want to offer equal give and take, and Three of Cups, they want reconciliation. I think for some the separation has happened due to third party. Okay. So your person want you back and they are ready to offer equal give and take in this connection. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. See, Three of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Justice, wow. See, Two of Cups, wow. You both love each other. You both have strong emotions for each other, but you both moving very slow. Knight of Cups, it is overall energy, mutual energy. Yeah, definitely Knight of Cups. Definitely you both want second chance. You both are on the same page, Sagittarius. And Three of Pentacles, now you both want to work on this relationship. In past, your person may not available to you emotionally. Now your person want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. And Knight of Cups with Justice and Two of Cups, definitely they want you back. You both want reconciliation, but your person expressing their feelings. But Sagittarius, you have feelings for your person, but you stand by your power. Now it's time to your person to make a move towards you. Yeah, definitely second chances, new beginnings. There is most of you guys, major of you, there are new beginnings between you and your person. So Sagittarius, your overall energy for the week, let's see. Wow, the Magician, Eight of Swords and the Devil, Tower. Yeah, definitely you are also sad for the separation between both of you. I think your person, you are maybe obsessed with your person a lot, or your person may be obsessed with you. Your person could be Capricorn also. Eight of Swords, sometimes you're feeling stuck in this energy, but it is very little bit time, then you will become like this Magician. Yeah, you overcome this energy and you stand by your power. You are in manifesting energy. What you are wishing for, you are going to be manifest, Sagittarius. For some, your person may be manipulator, magician, sometimes manipulator also, but you are in this energy. Definitely you are going to manifest what you are wishing for. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Sagittarius. Wheel of Fortune, the Tower. You both got same cards, Tower. and Chariot. Definitely you or your person could be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. The Magician. I think you both are manifesting back. You both are manifesting each other in your lives. Definitely you both want this connection. Your person want to take this relationship to next level. And the Tower, they are also feeling the Tower moment after the separation. Wheel of Fortune, yeah, they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. Definitely they want this reconciliation. Sagittarius, yeah, you both are on the same page, wanting the same thing, reconciliation. But you stand by your power. Now your person have to take action towards you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.